What lies beyond death? This profound question has captivated the minds of humanity since time immemorial. In our search for answers, we turn to the wisdom of Alan Watts, a renowned philosopher, writer, and speaker who delved into the depths of existence with remarkable insight and clarity. According to Watts, our outlook on death often stems from a fundamental misunderstanding. We perceive death as the ultimate end, the cessation of our conscious experience, and the extinguishing of our being. But Watts challenges this notion, suggesting that death is not the finality we fear, but rather a continuation of life in a different form. To understand this perspective, let us delve into the nature of our existence. Watts proclaims that we are not merely separate entities existing in isolation, but rather interconnected components of a grand cosmic dance. Just as waves arise from the ocean and return to it, our individual lives emerge from and dissolve back into the infinite wellspring of existence. In this intricate dance, death becomes a vital part of the rhythm. Watts eloquently describes death as an essential counterpart to life, a necessary polarity that brings depth and richness to our existence. He likens it to the space between the notes in music, which gives shape and meaning to the melody. Moreover, Watts suggests that our fear of death is rooted in our attachment to the illusion of a fixed, separate self. We cling to the idea that we are isolated beings with distinct identities, disconnected from the vast universe. But he challenges this notion, urging us to recognize that our sense of self is porous and in constant flux, intricately woven into the fabric of life itself. Beyond death, Watts proposes the possibility of a profound awakening. He invites us to explore the idea that our individual consciousness may merge with a cosmic consciousness, breaking free from the limitations of time and space. In this transformative journey, he assures us that death becomes a gateway to infinite possibilities, a doorway to the boundless realm of interconnectedness. It is important to note that Watts does not claim to possess definitive answers about the mysteries of death. Rather, he encourages us to embrace the mystery and recognize the limitations of our human understanding. He invites us to cultivate a sense of wonder and curiosity, to explore the vast unknown with an open mind, unburdened by rigid beliefs or preconceived notions. In the end, what lies beyond death remains a profound enigma. Watts emboldens us to approach this mystery with authenticity and humility, to embrace the impermanence of life and to cherish each moment as a precious gift as we contemplate the vastness of existence. Let us remember Watts' timeless wisdom, that death is not the end, but a continuation of the eternal dance of life. In our quest for understanding, may we find solace in the embrace of the unknown, and may we live fully with gratitude and awe for this momentary experience we call life.